Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasyapi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Usembut Menteri Rangba Kejela ubak Preston Tensong hagas nginengkong jong katayo kata ka arfusan tarik unai weng arajar khat kendai ulapan pau ba undakemen shikat dai lada ka office trekam jong ulat Kejela kan shimtino ya ka jingkmi ba jingpenya ya ki Autonomous District Council hapo Kejela hagajing ekren bar ka Batisi TV ubak Preston Tensong ulaong ba ka jingkentan no jong ulat Kejela utathagata roy ya ka jingterwa jong ka sarkar Jela ban penyaj daga administrators rule haga Khasils Autonomous District Council klem da kenjok tien bat ka kenhon ki menteri sarkar kalong ka ka bakta ya ka sarkar hi uba Preston ulaong balada don kino ki bil ki ba ulat usngo ba om don kam banaya mir bat ki bor sarkar tekan bha ba ka office trekam jong ulat kan shimti ban rai bat ban penyai hi daladi ya ki kam ki bayadai bat ki laitli ki Autonomous District Council hapo Jela ulaong ru ba ka sarkar ka kloy ban khangkerdep no ya ka tanat District Council Affairs bat thau da ki wei ki tanat ha ka jaka jong kani
Jika ba approve ban law CM lani ban warra al sitor kalong two different issues. Number ngi na government ka bangi stick ka bangi yo i kalong. Number one kalong ba ha ka tu ka NC. Kadon ke jing yatai. Di haba yatai ngong pi ke the rules kalong very clear ba ucaman he has every right. Ban buat kata de gisha. De as far as conduct of business inside the house ucaman ulai ka badai. Terengang oi pi politically pada hamni keren. Jadi jing sisa long ba lada. Kaya tai kumni. Hato kan ne kan new isi kan long stable ne. Hato kan de ka solution ne kam de ne ka solution ba daga bahap ke isi. Kabangangati kalong ba yo nang yahuri hura pan. Kejingi kene kanwan biang ka tangan nu por le si tanglai benai sau benai san benai kanuan biang sa ka wipat ka group ka banong ba we are not happy kanuan biang sa ka jingya wala NC te kai ka banjia kalau lo tak drama tapi nagara da wi nag le sarkar ngi lo concern ni kata te ngi lo concern ni kata namar ba mdei bang idon to lang idon pan mentang ka kasil skosil ka biang nei ka karur ngi don ka janti aru ngi don dengan jo objektif pemerintah agar skosil ngasno ki move NC namar balai lalong ba play yang ni ka Pandora box pi tekane kedai kabanga oi pi from the government we wanted to stop all this nonsense we don't want to see this nonsense happening na try pikan mau ba hakane ka last time kan numut mi ki sien le kren hapo hasil skosil kan numut ki mi ka government kolong linian ba den rei ngong pi ka izin sistem jubut namar ba mentah pada kadang susdang katen tang sistem belum pandang labi ko riura te ka bangkut kata ka sausnem ka banwan ngam tip su kan no pungut kinbi kita kisien te ko mo pi hang no ka jing trikam jong ka description kan jai baik kerti tengla ai ka statement long very clear my stand is very clear pi abaga government ka recommend ya kan no show governor the honorable governor in case ulong confused na try ude ban khot you chief minister you deputy chief minister lain ki minister consent ba in ya discuss okay kata ula ban le kanang ba kanum don kono gunuru ultimately kanum don kono gunuru ka misunderstanding happening ka government and the office of the Raj Bhavan dengan ngas go kata dena ka daw ngas banong ba hi kam day bandon kanu ka misunderstanding nang ni sikaman no misunderstanding should happen again kamar ba kumo pi kam itna la deng ye kred ji siapo kejela la ne po hapo karindia i banokoi uklim consult that's what I'm saying la daw consult at least he should have called chief minister or he should have called deputy chief minister or he should have called the concerned DCA minister or the senior officers then only will start. Kadi ba niya kumta? Katakan di ka rule but ka function jong kinu governor hapo kar India. It should be that way. Lada palat nang ta kabut kamlo. Kata di ka convention, kata di ka practice, but kata ka di ru ko procedure. You don't need like a logi ki legal team. Try maybe in sampai ini very soon ba ngirungin sa ya kata ka ya kejing turn down to governor, then we can refer back to or legal experts who know begin steady, who know baik, who know ni. Then after that we lakukan PKK next step kabila. Again, let me just tell you, it seems the honorable governor again did not go through the procedures, the rules, the practices, the convention done all these years. I regret to say that. But I have to say the fact because you knew it well. We do have District Council Affairs Department. And then we do have minister in charge of the District Council Affairs Department. So I think this is very important. It is very, very important. Political party in constitution. We are being guided by the constitution. Jonga party. I have nothing to say on that. I have nothing to comment on that. Namarba, be it chief minister, be it deputy chief, be it chairman, be it CM, whoever, we need to be guided within the boundary of the constitution of the party. Ngam ong kumnuru. Kata te ba ong ba pensingan yung ta ngam tip. Te ngatrai ukam tip bah ba pensingan yung kata. Mar ngam keren ngani issue ko bidai bat ka kam party ngatrai the best person banyak thu ipi ude hu president jo ka party jo. Te ngatrai ngam don kam comment kata. From now on, if it is not important to be routed through the government, so let it go directly to the Raj Bhavan, to the honorable, and then let the honorable governor just approve it or disapprove it. So, ultimately DCA department, we can wind up also, nothing right? Instead of that, we'll have another department. We have so many important, important directives where we can create one more department instead of DCA. All this year we are busy for DCA. When they have financial problem, we are busy for that. When the bills passed by them, we are busy for that. Law department, any department, any related department, they are busy to study line by line what is the bill passed by the District Council, this, that. So this is the kind of things. See, why do we have District Council Affairs Department in the first place? And see, we have that. It is a simple reply. We need to create District Council Affairs Department because of our 6 schedule, because of our 3 District Council we have. Previously we have 2, and then after that we have 3. Then that's why department has to be created specifically to see the functioning of these 3 district councils in our state. And that's why I'm telling you, the moment we got our statehood, DCA department also was created to take care the functioning of the 3 district councils. Okay. So now you understand clearly. You are autonomous, yes, no doubt, but at the same time you need to understand the governor, as per the provision of the constitution, act on the advice of whom? Of the government. Okay. That implies, be it this council or anything, state government has to ultimately recommend recommend to the Honorable Governor. See, regarding that, what is the discretionary power of the Governor? That's what I'm telling you. Because Governor, under the recommendation of the state government, ultimately they'll act. Okay, so that is very important point. And now in this case, I really don't know. I really don't know that Governor has approved the election of the CEM of the Council's Council. Well, but that is a small issue. That is small issue, I should say. But be it small or be it big, the office procedures has to be followed. Be it small, that's what I'm telling you. If Governor has got discretionary power, okay, fully, I think I would advise all the three councils, please don't send the bill passed by your respective council to us. Or I would request that the office of the Raj Bhavan, once the bill reach there, please don't send to the state government. Let them, let them examine it there itself and then pass order.